Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss an important question from Module 4, that is eliminate left recursive. Step 1. Eliminate left recursion from S. Left recursive production. So the left recursive production S implies SA/SB. Non-left recursive production. S implies AA/B. Here alpha is equal to AB, beta is equal to AA, beta is equal to AAB. Using the rule, S implies beta S dash. S dash implies alpha S dash slash epsilon. So the result is AA S dash slash B S dash. S dash implies A S dash B S dash epsilon. Step 2. Eliminate left recursive from A. Left recursive production. A implies AB, non-left recursive production. A implies aBB as AB. Here alpha is equal to B, beta is equal to aBB slash A slash B. So the result is A implies aBB A dash slash A dash slash B A dash implies B A dash slash epsilon. Step 3. Eliminate left recursive from B. Left recursive production. B implies BA, non-left recursive production. B implies BB. Here alpha is equal to A, beta is equal to BB. So the result is B implies BB B dash, B dash implies A B dash epsilon. So here is the elimination of left recursive. We have to solve question like this. Do like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you.